Sabi niya dito, ayaw nga niya ipa-college mga tao, mag-TESDA na lang daw. Nothing wrong with TESDA, pero mas advantageous pa rin yung degree in the long run. I agree. Because hindi lang skills yung tinuturo sa college, but they are teaching you other things like critical thinking and becoming independent thinkers. Diba? Ito ang dahilan kung bakit importante yung college. Unang-una, yung career opportunities. Of course, mas marami. Yung networking, social connections, yung mga tao makikilala mo sa college, you could perform projects with them. And ang pinaka-importante dito is yung personal growth and self-sufficiency. While yung TESDA or vocational schools are focused on skills and development and specialization, college prepares you for the future na kung saan posibleng magpalit yung skills na yon, but you still have the capability to adapt because you have learned personal growth and self-sufficiency. The difference of college and vocational. It prepares you to become a good generalist na once na mag-decide kang maging specialist, pwede pa rin. 'Di ba? Hindi maiisip 'yan ng mga taong may kagaya niyang mindset because para sa kanya bright na nga siya, 'di ba? Para sa kanya, siya na yung magaling. So hindi niya talaga makikita 'yon, lalo na manggagaling pa sa ibang taong mas magaling pa sa kanya. Kasi nga bright na daw sila. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a great day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.